A brewing battle between Democrats and Republicans, liberals and conservatives, may soon unfold if reports from Axios are to be believed. Some of Donald Trump's allies are exploring using civil rights laws to combat what they perceive as anti-white racism. These groups are scrutinizing existing anti-racism legislation, aiming to challenge what they call reverse racism. If Trump returns to power, they could target discrimination against white individuals. However, the concept of reverse racism is contentious. Critics argue that systemic racism has historically disadvantaged marginalized groups, making their struggle for equality distinct from alleged discrimination against whites. Trump's allies, led by Stephen Miller through America First Legal, aim to challenge diversity programs and inclusion policies. They argue that civil rights laws protect individuals of all races, including whites, from discrimination. The Civil Rights Act of 1964, a landmark legislation, prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. While aimed at combating historical injustices, the Act's wording does not exclude white individuals from protection. Miller and America First Legal have filed lawsuits against corporations, alleging discriminatory practices against white men under the Civil Rights Act. Trump himself has claimed to be a victim of anti-white discrimination, particularly from New York Attorney General Letitia James. Some argue that Trump may have grounds to sue James for discrimination under the Civil Rights Act. As political tensions rise, the use of civil rights laws to address perceived discrimination against whites opens a new chapter in America's ongoing battle for equality and justice.